Hey guys, today I'll bring you with my brother Fast Lane Racing the installation of the X-Pipe that we bought from Late Motor Restoration. Is it an SVE, the brand? Yeah. SVE X-Pipe. Waiting for the UPS truck still, but let me show you below the car. I'm sure no many videos out there in YouTube of Mustangs on the carriage. We got it here on ramps. You can see the muffler assembly, rear end, drive shaft, and there you can see the resonator. That's what we're removing to install the X-Pipe. You see the independent rear suspension here. There are the 373 gears on the sticker, performance package. Y zafarlos de estos aquí, los retenedores del muffler, zafarlos.
A lot of weight reduction. I think they call it an 8.8.
Hey, FLR, so any recording? Any suggestions or for the amateurs out there that would like to do this at their home?
Yeah, it's pretty simple work. Nothing to worry about.
So you should be able to do it. Even a kid can do it.
Yeah. Sebastian vlogging.
Okay, Sebastian, this is what you're advertising.
Sebastian vlogging over there.
All right, guys. I guess I introduced the other YouTuber. What's your channel, bro? What's your channel?
Sebastian vlogging.
Sebastian Vloggy, you guys heard him. There's FLR doing its thing.
FLR hasn't posted in a long time, I'll tell you that much.
Bro, ugly thing.
Yeah, right? But it looks so simple. I can't believe it weighs 28 pounds.
Fat and square.
How much is that restricting my exhaust? Not much.
The UPS truck.
Let it go?
Yeah. Hold it there again. Got it?
Yeah.
I hear the UPS truck.
Sebastian, you received the delivery.
Me?
Yep. Sign that thing. Joey, why are we measuring there? No, it's for the people to know.
We're measuring where we have to cut for the X-Pipe.
Okay. Alright guys, we actually think that the truck is here now. Here's the UPS truck. Parts should be coming in now. Or we've been waiting for it. Alright guys, we got it. Here it is. Thanks to FLR, he gave it to me for my birthday actually. So we're gonna open it up now.
Birthday, man.
Thanks, bro. Happy birthday, mate. It's actually very small and weighs nothing. Sebastian, you got the unboxing?
Yeah, whoa, yeah.
Ooh, X-Pipe.
That's so simple.
Could have built this in your fabricated it. Alright, let's check for leaks in the welding. Woo! Wow, the airflow actually mixes. I guess that's the whole point of an X-Pipe. It mixes.
That's simple.
That is very simple, man.
They're stealing that.
There you go, guys.
Oh, it cost me like 20 bucks.
The unboxing. 2 clamps, right?
Aren't you supposed to read this, baby? For more information?
There's the SVE X pipe. SVE. All right, guys. So first step is to remove the factory clamps. That's what my brother's doing right now. There we go. We already got one of them loose. That was pretty fast. And then we have to do the second one and then cut in the back with the. Oh, let me set up the saw, whatever it's called. Finished setting up the seesaw. I think we're almost about ready to cut. Check how the clamps are doing. And the clamps are loose, so now we're gonna cut back here. So a fella was saying he never worked with seesaw before, so taking all precautions. And a Harbor Freight tool. Seesaw that might just disintegrate. We're ready to cut?
Yeah.
I think it's a little more back.
Hmm?
I saw them cutting like around here.
Around where?
Here. No?
What is this guy talking about?
Oh, remember what they say.
What?
Measure 10 times, cut once. Did you measure 10 times?
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't want to be short or long. Like
Yeah.
if you gotta measure again, measure again. It's better to be safe.
Worried about how to get it straight. Okay, bro, this is a really bad angle.
But that's the thing. But then it's more back. Then it's more back because they cut exactly where it's straight.
No, it's not that. It's that the pipe is sideways like this.
Huh?
The pipe?
But the cut is supposed to happen where it's already straight, not on the corner. The cut happens on the straight part of the pipe.
Yeah, that is straight.
So why are you saying that the angle is bad?
Because you don't understand, the pipe comes sideways. So if you cut straight, you're gonna cut it sideways.
Oh, cut at the same rhythm of the tape.
Right?
So that is straight on its own thing. Hold on. Sure.
Looking for the angle is the problem. I don't see it. I don't want to do there because I don't want to hit the insulation. Because that's...
Alright. So it's been about an hour and we've got the first cut down. Now my brother's doing the second pipe. Let me show you the first pipe.
Can you lower more?
Lower more?
Oh, it's hurting?
Yeah, it's hurting already, but I'll lower it.
Actually, put it up. Keep on. Go. There you go. Wait, I'll say the jack. You going up? Yeah. We're starting up the GT now after we move the mid pipe, so it's technically headers and that's it. Wow. Wow. My God. Is that 13 or 14?
2 hours later, no, 3 hours later, we're still trying to get the shed in place. We got the front clamps done, the mid pipe is in place. Now we're trying to get the rear, the mid pipe and the back exhaust. All right, we're hungry. We gotta work tomorrow. Alright guys, about 3.5 hours later, I'll show you what the progress is. We got the one side is completely done, the driver's side. Front clamp is done, and then the rear, it's in as already. We had to remove the entire cab back hangers, so we're able to put the rear into the rear, if that makes sense. There's FLR working hard. He's not making money, but this is sponsored, however, guys, by Fastlane Racing. Go check them out. They support us all the time. They really support us, so go check them out. Link in the description. Show some love so we can make more videos like this. They always provide with mano de obra.
Labor.
Oh, that's labor. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll give you a exhaust clip and goosey loosey. Bye guys. Alright, so now the exhaust is completely in. Both front. You cannot see that. There's no light. And the back, yeah, there is light. As you can see there.
You see how it's higher up now?
Yeah, but that's higher up because you have it supported with the gato.
Yeah.
I want to see what happens when it fall, go crumbling. Yeah, now we're putting the final clamps on. It is about 10 o'clock. We started around 7. Oh, actually, so that's 3 hours, not 4. Okay. Hey guys, so we're done after what, 3-4 hours?
Probably.
I'll give you an exhaust clip tomorrow in the morning, but all done, and I'll give you more details about the installation. All right, well, done for the night. Hey guys, so it is the next morning after the exhaust install with FLR, my brother. See how the tips came out. Everything looks good there. And this is a cold start with the new SVE X pipe. So let me show you. Definitely louder, definitely nicer sound with the X pipe versus the factory resonator. Do it from the deck, bro. Show your neck. Music in the background, okay? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh man!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, that was pretty good.